Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to switch your YouTube accounts? Or maybe you're just done for the day and want to log out? In this video, I'll show you the steps to log out of your YouTube account on both Android and iPhone devices. Let's go. Signing out of a YouTube account on an iPhone is an easy process. To log out, launch the YouTube on your mobile device. In the lower right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile picture or icon. Tap on it. Click the Switch Account button, then use YouTube Signed Out. Android, on the other hand, has a complex process of signing out a YouTube account. On the YouTube home screen, click the profile picture above. This will open a menu. At the top, you'll see your name or username associated with your YouTube account. Tap on it. This will take you to a screen where you can manage all your Google accounts. Scroll down and tap on Manage Accounts. Under Accounts in Sync, find Google, then tap on it. A list of your Google accounts will appear. Find the YouTube account you want to log out from and tap the More button. Select Remove Account, and a pop-up will appear, warning you that removing the account will also sign you out of other Google services. If you're sure, tap Remove to confirm. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.